Wine to the bass, nah, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah, nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah, nah, nah. Steady on time, yeah.
Guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So this video is a video on styling your lace frontal, and it is also a makeup tutorial. I know it's been a long time since I've done some makeup on here, so I definitely wanted to do some today. So this is a frontal lace wig that I did make using a 20-inch frontal from Dsoar Hair. It's Peruvian natural wave, and this hair is absolutely gorgeous. I love the way the waves fall. I love the way the frontal is made. I did not have to pluck anything. I did not have to do anything but bleach the knots. So this is what the wig looks like. What I did was, like I said, I bleached the knots, and then I went ahead and styled the frontal. So I parted it down the middle, and then I parted it along the back and on the sides. I added some mousse, and I just applied two ponytails to create this ponytail style, this pigtail style in the frontal. So the mousse that I use is my favorite mousse. It's by Indie Hair. I'll leave a link to where you can purchase this mousse. And yeah, I just made sure to pull some baby hairs out of the ponytail so that I would have something to work with. Now when I did my ponytail, it actually was not in the center. So I had to take that ponytail out, repart that middle part, and make sure that middle part was in the center. So just be careful of that when you're parting your wigs and your lace frontals, that you're actually parting it in the center. And if you have one of these block heads, it is easy to find the center because there is a seam directly in the center of the wig. So all you have to do is just follow that. I also wanted to redo the ponytails because I wanted the ponytails further in the back. So you'll see when I did these ponytails, I literally placed the ponytail literally right at the part in the back and made sure that the ponytails were very, very far in the back. I like that look better. So I am very happy with the way the ponytail came out. I think the mousse was a great idea for this. And yes, I just did another ponytail on the other side, and that's pretty much the end of the style. I'm gonna be quiet so you guys can keep watching, and then I'll come back for the makeup part. Okay, and I'm back. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of information about the makeup look that I'm doing today. This makeup look is just like a really pretty sort of sunset looking makeup look. I don't know if it's sunset or not, I'm not sure. But it's just simple, yet it looks complicated look, but it's pretty simple. So I used the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I've had this palette for a long time. I got it from Ulta's. I love the color combinations in this palette, and I love the color payoff. So yeah, I wanted to give you guys a tutorial using this palette because I have been loving it for the last couple months. Yeah, I don't know, you guys. It's pretty simple and straightforward. I basically just layered, that orangey shade with this brown shade, and then I used the black shade in the palette. The black shade to me isn't quite dark enough. My favorite black eyeshadow is my Too Faced Semi-Sweet black eyeshadow. It comes out super duper black. This one looks a little more like gray and smoky, but it was fine for this look. The concealer that I use at the beginning and right now is my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and that's in NW30. I rarely use MAC concealer anymore, MAC products anymore, but this is one that is still a go-to for me, especially when I'm doing a cut crease eye, which I don't do that much, you guys, honestly, because I feel like I can come up with beautiful looks without taking the extra time of doing the cut crease, which for me doubles my entire time that it takes to do my makeup look. But I really wanted to do this look for you guys today, so I went ahead and did the cut crease. So yeah, you guys, I just pretty much used a yellow from a different palette. This yellow that I use is from the Anastasia Sublime palette. Is that what it's called? Subculture palette. I used the yellow from the Subculture palette, and then I just went back to the same orange that I used from the Born to Run. I cleaned it up using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer to just give it a nice clean line, and then I finished it off with my $3 liner, you guys. That one is my go-to $3 liner, and then I also went ahead and used my Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. I went ahead and did the lower lash line using the same colors that I used at the top, and just added a little bit more mascara. I added some lashes, and I'll put those lashes that I used in the description box. And I also added my Anastasia That Glow palette. I used the yellow shade in the Anastasia That Glow highlight palette, and I also used that in my tear duct, and just sprayed some finishing spray, and that's pretty much the look, you guys. I added some Wet n Wild Fergie Daily lipstick, and yeah, that's in the shade Fergie Daily. And then I just added my $2.99 Ruby Kisses in Oh Boy, and that's just around the outside. I finished it off with a cheap beauty supply store lip gloss, and that was pretty much it, you guys. That is the look. So yeah, then I just went ahead and applied my wig. So to apply my wig, I didn't use any, lace frontal glue or anything like that. I knew I wasn't going to be wearing the wig long. So to hold down my wig, I basically just used some Got To Be gel on my edges. And yeah, when I want a temporary hold, I just use Got To Be on my baby hairs, and that holds my entire wig down. And then I just used my Glee Made baby hair and lace wig setting headscarf. This scarf is perfect to lay your baby hairs and to hold your wigs down while they dry. These are on sale on gleemade.com for $8 right now, and you can use the coupon code Dragoness to save you even more money on gleemade.com. I went ahead and added a little bit of powder to blend. I know it's not perfectly blended. You can still see that line of demarcation. I should have washed my lace front before I did this, and you wouldn't see that line, but I was being lazy, so guess what? Y'all just gonna get what y'all gonna get today, and that's the look. I love this wig. It's 22 inches in 24-inch bundles and a 20-inch frontal from Dsoar Hair. I absolutely love it. For all details, it will be in the information bar down below, and to order this hair, it'll be there as well. Love you guys so much. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.